Lovely people, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do Foy Vance, Make It Rain. Let's check this out together. Foy Vance is an Irish sing-songwriter. Nice hat, nice mustache. Let's go. So that sounds familiar.
When the sins of my father way down in my soul,
All right. Whoo.
the pain of my mother
Jesus.
will not let me go.
What a blues, man. What a blues already. Wow.
Well, I know there can come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, Lord, just the same. Make it rain,
Wow.
make it rain, make it rain, make it rain.
Wow, did we find something tonight? Didn't we find something tonight? What a voice, man. Wow. I don't know what it is with the Irish people. I don't know. Maybe it's the weather, it's the grayness, maybe it's the Guinness. You don't know. Maybe a combination of the grayness and Guinness. Because in terms of voices, wow, Foy Vance. I'm already in love for crying out loud. So many great artists from up there. Just stunning, man. Wow. I'm like really like already my mind. It's like cracking, blowing. Boom.
Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Every seed needs the water for it grows out of the ground. But it just keeps on getting high. And the hunger more profound.
Wow.
And I know there can come tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain.
Man, I honestly don't know what to say because to me, this 3 minutes in, it all sounds perfect. So I really don't know what to say. I'm just there enjoying and riding together with the song. It couldn't be better than this, honestly.
Even though I know these tears will bring me pain, even so, Lord, just the same, I'll make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain,
what a singer. What a singer. What a voice. Wow. Are we gonna go a little bit Gary Moore on this? Are we gonna go with a little bit of electric guitar? Doing a little bit of solo? That would be awesome. I love Gary Moore. Rest in peace.
Well, the sea is filled with water. Stops by the shore.
Wow. Man, it's so clear that we found an incredible sing-songwriter with great musicians. This music just goes straight through you, like immediately. This is talking, to me at least. Maybe I'm biased, but this stuff just hits me, you know, like brings me back in the world of like, oh, this is music. This is the stuff that I signed up for. This is the stuff that I look up to. This is the stuff that I wish I was able remotely to make somehow. And just, you know, brings back that dimension of wanting to go out, you know, to a concert in a, let's say, not too big of a venue, like maybe 2,000 seats, 3,000 seats, and see the star of the show, you know, being there on the stage in the dark with the lights, and just listening to this type of vibe, you know, like I miss that. I miss that.
Just like the riches of grandeur, never reach the poor. Let the clouds fill with thunderous applause. Oh, let lightning be the veins. Fill the sky with all that they can draw. When it's time to make a change, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain.
Man, you cannot invent a voice like that.
Make it rain.
You cannot auto-tune a voice like that.
Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain.
Jesus, man. Wow. Wow. A 9.5 out of 10, man. A 9.5 out of 10. I don't give it 10 out of 10 because otherwise people don't believe you or that there's no space anymore to go. 9.5 out of 10. What a song. I loved all of it. Beautiful. Maybe a little solo would have been nice, but you know, it's 2024, so a lot of artists don't do that anymore. They see it a little bit as too nostalgic. Definitely a great blues. What a fantastic voice, man. What a voice. What a blessing to have a voice like that. So full of passion, desperation, being able to push it that hard, that far to the breaking point literally of the voice in terms of pitch and still works perfectly. Unbelievable. Great. Absolutely great. I hope you enjoyed this. I really don't have nothing else to say. But for me, this is top notch. For me, this is music. For me, this is art. But you know, everybody has a different opinion, of course, on things. But I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with this. And also, subscribe if you want to. I also sing every now and then. Ciao.